Hello everyone, today we want to take a look at the IBC filling machine. It is being used for filling the IBC tanks, drums and even 20-liter canisters. This machine needs the water inlet of 1.5 inches and electricity of 3 phases, 380 volts and also 2 kilowatts of electricity power. The compressor at the place should give us 10 bar of compressed air. Now let's get started to start the machine. First of all, we should switch on the machine from the back side beside the control panel. And then we will wait to our control panel to comes up. Okay, reference screen. The second screen, you will see the language choose. It is already on English, so we check it. In this screen, we can choose a liter price and the final cost will be calculated automatically. It is adjusted on 19.50. For example, if we want to change it, we should push this button and clear, and for example for IBC tank we will put it on 1000 liters. Right now, as we are just testing, I am putting it on 19.5 and enter. It is on 19.5 because it has some tolerance, so it will give us 20 or 20.2 liters of water. Okay, now the machine is ready to start, but first of all we should know what are these buttons for. This blue button is using for make the machine freely move. As you can see right now it is not moving, it is just shaking. But when I push this, I can move it very simply. Okay, and also as you can see, this arm can slide in forward or backward. This is for adjusting the nozzle on the entrance of IBC tank, on the cap of IBC tank, and when we move this right and left and adjust it to our IBC tank, we will let this button free, and then the machine will be stopped at adjusted place. Now we want to fill our IBC tank. We should push the green button and stay it pushed. As you can see, the nozzle came and started the filling. We will take our hand off. When it was filled, it means that it is finished, and we can push the print button, and from the thermal printer in the back side we will get the fish. What you can see here, the amount of filling, which is 20.32, the final cost and the price per liter. Date and time all are written here. When adjusting the nozzle to go inside the IBC tank and we are pushing the green button, if there is something going wrong and you see that it is not exactly goes inside the IBC tank, move your finger, it will come up. I'm now trying to do. As you can see. But if you push it and stay, it will start to fill the IBC. As you can see, it's very simple to use this machine. This can be simply moved to left and right, and by pushing this and moving this, you can very simply adjust the machine. Also, for adjusting the height of the machine, you will use these screws at the first and adjust the height for IBC or for drum, or even if you want to fill the 20 liters, and you can adjust this machine for as the height. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you later.